Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to explain about operations in Python. Basically, there are many operations available. Like you can do arithmetic operations, you can do comparison operations, you can do logical operations, and these things. So first in this video, I'll cover this arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations are like just this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and these things we do with the math. So these things gonna be very helpful in the programming. So let me create one new file like arithmetic operations. So first, I'll give some examples like how you have to do that. Like I'll go with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like exponential, and after the modulus operation, floor division, and so these things. So let's assume so you have a variable that is nothing but add or something whatever. So add equal to something like 4 plus 5. So if you ask like print add, so if you run this, you will get the result as 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. So simply like if you have this subtraction equal to something like 9 minus 5. So enter print. So these are common like how you give in the uh, uh, mathematics in the same way. So we have to give these things. So let's run this. So addition value is 9 and subtraction value is 4. So these things you can do this float addition and float subtraction also. Like suppose if you want to add this number with the decimal values like 4.7 and 5.2, then if you want to subtract like 9.3 and 5.7, still you can get the response like 9.9 and 3.60005, something like these things. And you can do your additions in a multiple ways, like you can store some x equal to 9 and after that y equal to 7 and after that print x plus y. So you can do these things in multiple ways. And you can symbols are very common, like plus is for addition, minus is sign for this subtraction, and after that you can multiply this the multiplication x asterisk. The symbol is known as asterisk. And here you can see the result like 799 are 63, so that is the result. And here you can divide also, like basically you have to consider two things. But you know let's assume this is a 90, and you are dividing 90 with 7. So let's see what is the response you'll get. No, let's take okay, let's go with this. So here you got some 12.85 something this thing. So if you want some, you don't want this fractional part, then in that case you have to do this floor division. So there you can see. So this thing you have to remember. So let me comment on this subtraction and this addition part. So check here. So just 90 divided by 7. So we got the 12. So suppose it's 763. So let's assume 63. So 63 divided by 7 will give you 9, right? So let's run this. Here you can see this 9.0. So why you're getting 9.0? So this thing you have to remember. So in division, so if you use this one slash, so it will give with the point, like with the decimal it will give. So if you want only that integer part, like integral part of that value, then you have to go with this double slash. That is nothing but floor division. You have to say it as a floor division. Now you can get the only 9. So this is one thing you have to remember. And after that exponential, like See, let us assume someone asks you to find the power of 2. So like 2 power 3, what is the 2 power 10? So in that case, how we have to do? Then in that case, we have to use this exponential, nothing but this double aspect symbol. So simply some x equal to, not x, something like some a equal to 2 power 3, then print a. So it will give the answer as 8. Here you can see, so we got the answer as 8. So suppose if you want to find the 2 power 10, so you have to give like this. So 1024. So this is nothing but exponential, like you have to do this exponential. And after that, you have to understand the modulus. So, so what modulus will give? Before that, I'll show you one normal example. So this is the divisor. So suppose you are dividing 75 with 9. So 75 slash 9 or 75 double slash 9. So you have to consider this thing. 75 is a dividend and 9 is a divisor, and whatever you divided with these things, like then nothing but quotient, and after that whatever left, that is nothing but a remainder. So if you use this modulus, like let's assume, suppose here, let's take this example only. Suppose you have this 64. So if you divide 64 with 7, so obviously, so you want to find the remainder of that. So then in that case, it will give you 1. Why? So 7 9 is 63. So what is left? So left is 1. So if you run this, so here you can see 1. So this symbol, that is nothing but, so whenever you want to find the remainder of any two numbers, then in that case you have to go with the percentage symbol. That is nothing but modulus of the integer. So in case if you want to try with the 66 or 67, then still same, like you can get this 3. So these things will be, you have to be comfortable with these symbols. Then and after that, so these things, like you can assign these things to the variables, different variables, then you can do all these operations. Basically arithmetic operations are like this, these same things, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, and modulus, and how to find the modulus, and how to get the power exponential. So you have to understand these things, and so if you know these things and familiar with these things, then arithmetic operations are done. So I hope you learn something new in this video.